So there's this Indian guy that stole over $37 million and he started spending it on luxury cars, vacations. You get the check, like properties and all of that. The normal things that most scammers do spend their money on. And along the way, he made a very terrible mistake that ended him completely. So meet Gerard Thomas. So Thomas created a website that looks like Coinbase. This happened in 2021. It looked exactly like normal Coinbase. The colors, the theme, the interface, the login page, everything looked like that. And a lot of people started, using this stuff because understand how criminals started pushing this link out there. A lot of people started trying to sign in their details. But whenever they signed in, the only thing that we're doing is that they were giving Thomas their details on the platter of gold. So he took these deals, and here came the next step of what he did. What he did basically was that he started encouraging out to these people, these users. If he sees that you have like a lot of money in your Coinbase account, he will now reach out to you. What's he going to tell you? Sir or ma, I will notice some security breach on your account, blah blah blah. You get check on how is Indian calls will go through. So don't tell you we need you to read out that two-factor authentication code, blah blah blah. And then when you read it out to him, he wipes your account clean. This went on for some time, and within a very short period of time, within 8 months to be precise, it's to over $37 million. $37 million. That's a whole lot of money. What did he do? He spent this on luxury cars, trips to Dubai, watch, jewelries. I think at some point they reported that he had over 18 supercars. 18 supercars. That's insane. Started going on vacations to different countries. Dubai was basically like a place that he loved traveling to. But now he made a very terrible mistake that ended everything all. In December 2023, he traveled to US, and upon landing in Atlanta, I think he landed in Atlanta, the FBI were already waiting for him because you're already working on tracking him and making an investigation, and they were watching his movement. And before that, before they even started tracking him, they noticed his flash lifestyle on Instagram. He started showing off on Instagram, like most commands, would have hush people who did the same mistake, started showing off on Instagram and showing his wealth and all of that. And then the FBI started tracking him, to track him and realized that he was the guy behind this whole scam. And what did they do is, as soon as he landed in Atlanta, the FBI were already waiting for him at the airport, and then they arrested him at the airport, and then he pleaded guilty in 2024. I think early 2024 he pleaded guilty. He was convicted and then sentenced to 5 years imprisonment. FBI were able to recover some of these funds, but majority of them are still missing.